Assalamualaikum warahmatullah and good morning. In previous videos, we have talked about creating pages for our website. In this video, we will talk about creating posts. Posts, because the nature of posts is that we will continue uploading new posts which contains time-related information and which updates our website with new stories, new things. Therefore, it is actually the more interesting part of our website. And with posts, we can also have comments. We can receive comments on our posts. Okay, to create our post, before we create our post, let's just look at the sample website here. We have our posts. In this website, we have the posts organized according to categories. Well, because this is a digital CV, the categories are based on the headers that usually would be inserted in actual CVs, such as Anugerah or awards, leadership, co-curriculum, main courses taken, education, work experience, and also main projects. Well, these some of these categories might be relevant in a CV. Others are more to the preference of this particular author of this website. Okay, so we can create. First, we need to create categories in order for us to assign posts. But we can also create posts first, and later on assign them to categories which we create later. Okay, but in our instance, it's best to I think it's best to start with creating categories, because in our CV we have a little bit of structure that is usually assigned or usually associated with CVs. Okay, so let's create our first. Let's create categories. We go back to our dashboard. Okay. And because the categories are associated to posts, or posts will be assigned to categories, then categories are related to posts. Go to posts and categories. You create the categories. There is one default category called uncategorized. So at this moment, any post that we create will be automatically assigned to the uncategorized category. Okay, so let us create our first category. Let's say this category as education. Okay, we can assign a parent category, but at the moment we only have one level of categories. Okay, click add new category. While doing that, let's include some more categories as well. Probably work experience. And probably one more category, skill. And probably activity. Okay, now we have created four categories. Okay, now let's go to the next step, which is to create a post. Let's create a new post by clicking add new under post. Okay, let's say this the first post is regarding our qualification, our education qualification. Let's say I want to put in I have an A-levels qualification, so I put in here the title as A-levels. Okay, let's put some text here. I achieved Again, in your digital CV, it would be good to have supporting documents in your page or in your post. So it would be good to have your A-levels transcript inserted here through Add Media, like we have done before. Okay, let us let's upload one A-level cert. So again, to add media, we just click Add Media there and upload a file. Okay, I have one example of an A-level certificate here. Just upload that. Okay, just a tip, a reminder, so that when uploading images into our website, please upload files in the form of JPEG files or PNG files or even PDF, but avoid uploading bitmap images, because bitmap images are big in size and they would easily fill up your WordPress quota or your web hosting quota, as well as make the download process of the user to be taking a longer time. Okay, let's just make it center and size, show it the full size and insert into post. Well, that's a very small certificate, but anyway, okay, let's publish this. Okay, in the meantime, I will also show you how we will insert video into our post. Okay, so we can it is no problem for us to upload images into our post, but if we have videos to include in our post, it is recommended that we do not upload videos into our WordPress site. Otherwise, because videos are very large in terms of size, they would easily fill up your web hosting limit very quickly. Okay, so on the other hand, what would you do is that upload your videos into video hosting such as YouTube. There's also, I think, Dailymotion as well as Vimeo. Okay, so you need to have your videos uploaded into those website that hosts videos, and then embed your video inside the post. Okay, let's create a new post. Before we go doing that, we need to also assign a category to our post. Okay, at the moment the default category is categorized. We untick that and we put this under, this is A-levels results, we put this under education in order for it to appear under the education category. Okay, click update for this one, and then we create another post to put in our video. Okay, let's click new post. Okay, and let's insert video. To get the video inside our post, we go to, let's say we go to YouTube where we have our video. Okay, let's say this is one of the videos that I want to include in my post. Alright, this is a video that I have done with a tutorial video about using UBS computerized accounting. Okay, so what we want to do is that we want to embed this video inside our WordPress post without actually uploading the video into the web host. Okay, so what we do is that this is the YouTube page for that video. We go a little bit downwards and we click the share button for that video. Once we clicked share, we will have this tabs: share, embed, and email. We can email the link we can create an email to link towards this video. We can also share this URL of the video, but what we want to do is to embed this video into our post. So we need to click embed here, and it shows the embed code. It's a long programming code that we need to copy. It already highlights it already highlighted the code for us. What we do is just we copy this code, and then we go back to our post. Okay, so we need to paste the code, but we need to paste it as a code and not as it appears. Okay, so to paste it as a code, as a programming code, we click the text tag. This is where we put the programming codes. Okay, paste the code here, and then we can look at what the results would show. Click back to visual, then it will embed the video that we have copied the code with. Okay, so let us put a title here. This I would put this as the an activities category, because this is an activity that I have done, which is to teach, let's say, teach computerized accounting software. Okay, and let's say I click this as publish. Okay, now we have created two posts. The most recent one was a post that we have embedded a video, YouTube video in it. Okay, let's try to go back to our website. Okay, this was the menu that we have created in our recent video, in our previous video. And if we look on the right side, when we look at categories, we have activities, education, and uncategorized. If you try to remember, in this video we have created two posts. One is about our education and the other is about an activity that we have created. So those two posts have populated the two categories, therefore the categories appear here. And those categories that have not been populated with posts are not listed in this categories area. Okay, so and coincidentally also the posts that we have created appear on our home page, because at the moment our home page shows most recent posts. Okay, so we also have an area where it shows recent posts. But if we click, let's say we click activities, it will show all posts under the category of activities, and we only have at the moment one post under activities. Okay, so this is how we create categories and create posts and assign them to categories. And we have also shown how are we supposed to include videos inside our posts.